this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPad to your Windows computer. Now this can be really useful if you want to do things such as send files between your devices. Now the first step is you need to come over to your laptop and open up the Start menu. You can then search for Microsoft Store and open up this window here. Now click on the search box at the top of this page and you need to search for Apple devices and then press enter. Now click on this top app, which is Apple devices, and then you need to click on this blue install button. You could then wait a few seconds while this goes and installs onto your Windows computer, and then once it's finished installing, click on open. You could then agree to the terms and conditions, click on start, and then you'll see this window here. Now the next thing you need to do is go and grab your iPad, and then you'll need a USB cable, and you'll need to plug one end into the iPad and the other end into your laptop or computer. So this will typically be a USB-C cable to USB. You can also use a USB-C cable to USB-C, and this just depends on the ports available on your laptop or computer. Now once you have this connected, go and unlock your iPad. And once your iPad's unlocked, you'll see this message on your computer. Click on the Trust button, and then you'll get a pop-up on your iPad as well. Make sure to go and click on Trust. You may also need to enter the passcode to your iPad. And once you've done that, you can see it's now going to connect to this app on our computer. Now, there's a few things you can do here. So if you go and click on your iPad, you can see we can go and back up and make copies of all of our data. You can also update the iPad directly from this window, and you can also restore the iPad back to its factory settings. Now, if you click on the drop-down arrow next to your iPad, you can see that we can also access all of the different files and also all of the different photos on our iPad as well. Now, one thing to note is that if you're using iCloud Photos like I am, you'll need to go and turn off the iCloud Photos before they're going to appear in this window here. Now, in order to do that, you can just go and open up the settings on your iPad, click on your profile name at the top of this page, click on iCloud, click on Photos, and where it says sync this iPad, make sure this is turned off. You can then press stop updating and turn off, and then you'll need to go and unplug your USB-C cable, and then you can go and replug it back into the iPad. If you now click back on Photos over in this left-hand side, you can now click on the Sync Photos button, and you can go and sync the photos from your iPad onto your computer. Now, once you've done this, you can always come back over to the iCloud Photos, and you can go and turn back on Sync this iPad. So that's how to connect your iPad to a Windows computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.